Preeti has joined. Has Dara joined?
Yes, sir.
Viru Sahasrabuddhi?
Question.
Avyan and Viru Sahasrabuddhi have joined. Dheeraj, can you call Avyan?
Sure, I'm here.
You are here.
Yes, sir.
Viransh has not joined.
Where do we have to do these questions?
No, beta. I'm just texting kids to join, then we'll start. So today we will do something that you are doing since ages and ages and ages. So I'm not sure why we'll be doing that. So can anyone tell me why we are doing that? Viransh, how are you, Mr. Viransh?
We're fine.
What is surfing?
But I'm fine.
You're fine. So quickly, guys, don't take too long. Just start giving the answers. So everyone has to give before Lilwani gives the answer. So both these questions answers in one message. And remember, if it can be converted to mixed, you have to convert into mixed and then give me the answer. So how will you write mixed fraction in the chat? Suppose you have to write 1 3/4. So you will give 1, then space 3/4. If you have to write 5/18 in the chat, you will write 5 front slash 18. So this is how you will write this, and this is how you will write this. Has everyone understood? So I told I want the answers before Lilwani gives, and you have to send to Ragini ma'am, not to me. Ma'am, Viru has given both answers correct. There are two questions, two answers.
Huh?
So wicked Sunny, don't be wicked. And Amira send to Ragini ma'am. Avyan, where is my answer?
Sure, should I speak it?
Yes, you can speak.
Sure, for the first one, it's 6/6 or 1.
Yes. So first one it is 1. And for second one it is also 1.
Actually.
Hello? So Sunny, was Netaji giving the answer?
नहीं सर, पता नहीं सर क्या हुआ मेरे दिमाग में, सर आई डोंट नो।
दिमाग में केमिकल लोचा हो जाता है कई बार, है
सर
ना?
कोई रिएक्शन हो गया होगा पक्का
Yes,
सर।
yes, yes. All right, next question. क्यों होगा? पक्का. So I told I should get the answer before Lilwani. What are you guys doing?
Who is Lilwani?
You have to see that.
सर मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन एक और बार बता दो कैसे लिखना है चैट
जैसे
में।
आपको 3 2/5 लिखना है.
यस सर।
ठीक है. So first you will write 3, then you give a space, then you will write 2, then front/5.
ओके सर।
This is the whole part, whole part. Fraction part, fraction part. Mr. YY, start your camera. Mr. YY from China. Directly from China, please start your camera.
So I'm not feeling well today. Can I switch on my camera then in the next class?
Yes, better, then you will have to keep on unmute. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So Wicked Sunny and Dheeraj, let's see the first question. So
Sir,
7 by 15
so the first one
multiplied
is.
with
So I've sent.
32 by 5 multiplied with 15 by 7.
So the first one is 13,175 by
Wait,
240.
wait, 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 wait. Now I'm explaining. So Avyan, 7 and 7 cut, 15 and 15 cut.
Yes, sure.
Yes, then you have 32 by 5. You have to write it in the mixed fraction. So 5 6 are 30. 6 2 by 5. All right, Avyan.
Yes, sure.
So where did you go wrong?
Sure, I didn't cut 15 by 7 and 7 by 15.
Okay, then next 14 by 9 into 7 by 6 into 3 by 5. So this where what we can cut 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So what will I get?
7 into 7 is
What will I get?
49 upon 45. In mixed, it would be
1
1,
4 by
1,
45.
49, 45. Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So Preeti understood?
Sir, I didn't write 14. I just wrote
Yes.
5 by 9 only.
Mr. Dheeraj, ma'am, Mr. Dheeraj send the answer. And Mr. YY, make sure I get the answer. Savera, your video is off. Don't do that in the class. Don't break any class rules. Though you like it, I know. That's your hobby. But don't do in this in my class. You remember the extra time? Then we have to do extra time. We can do extra time in online class also. So who wants to break the rules? Who wants to do extra time today? Savera, do you want to do extra time today?
Sir, I was getting another pen.
And Mr. YY, I did not get your answers.
Yes, sir, I'm sending.
बेटा आपकी क्लास चल रही है आप इतना बोल रहे हो आप क्लास क्या हो रहा है व्हाट इज हैपनिंग देयर
Oh, sorry, sir.
you are not sending me the answers you are talking to everyone else this is the easiest class ever teaching multiplication in grade 7 so Mr. YY again has not sent me
Sir, I'm sending. Sir, I'm sending. I just sorted it.
I'm solving the first one.
Sir, please don't.
You can solve the second and third one. So the answer will be what?
8 by 15.
Solve the second and third one. Mr. YY, you need to send to Ragini ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So Dheeraj, Preeti, Mr. YY.
I've already sent.
Sir, I've also
All right. So 5 divide by, we will do the reciprocal in the next step. So 5 multiplied by reciprocal of this is 3. So my answer would be 15. Lilwani, how did you get this wrong?
Sir, I didn't do the reciprocal.
23 by 10 divide by 1 by 2. It means 23 by 10 multiplied by 2. That will give the answer 23 by 5. Then you can convert into mix. So 23 by 5 would be 4 3 by 5. All right, have you understood?
But don't we have to find the reciprocal one? It will be 2 by 1.
2 by 1 or 2 are 1 at the same thing. The answer is going to be same.
Sir, can I add the answer in decimals?
Beta, generally we never write it in decimals when you are asked to multiply or divide fractions or rational numbers. So your teacher, school teacher will cut your marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, I'm going to give you some word problems. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me open the file. You guys are in grade 6 now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, no grade 7.
Sir, no more
7?
6.
Yes,
Grade
that's what.
6.
Okay, okay.
We are in grade 7.
सर वो झूठ बोल रहा हूँ ग्रेड 6 में.
Yes, yes, I know. Viransh, beta, this is not a good time to joke.
Sir, I forgot how to do this. Can you say?
Yes, but when we have to find off something, we multiply. Then another thing is,
Sir, so 3 by 5 into 5.
one second, let me complete, Pritesh. In a party, 2 by 5 are men. So what is the fraction of females in the party?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. So what you did? You subtracted 1 minus 2 by 5. Okay.
Yes.
So to get the fraction, sometimes we have to subtract, and whenever it is written off, what we do?
Multiple.
Yes. All right. So the first part, who got this wrong? Mr. YY from China. Mr. YY, turning off your camera is really hurting your performance badly. You must reconsider that.
Yes, sir.
So their mother gave them 5 bottle water that contained 5 liters of water. So Ajmal consumed 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 of 5 liters will be 3 liters. So how much water did drink? 3 liters. What fraction of the total quantity of the water did Rahim drink? So definitely it is going to be 1 minus 3 by 5, which is 2 by 5. This is for the B part. Or you could have done that he drank 2 liters out of 5 liters. So the fraction would be 2 by 5. But I would like you to do it this way so that you understand better. So Savera and Mr. YY, have we understood?
Yes, sir, but it is written he consumed the remaining
Yes,
one.
sir.
So he consumed the remaining one means remaining water.
Sir,
Okay. So maybe there is a grammatical mistake in the question. The next question. Let's see if you remember this concept, which I don't think some of you would.
सर जब उन्हें लाइक फ्रैक्शन कर देंगे कन्वर्ट उसके बाद क्या होगा
Better you try. Otherwise, I'll explain this question. Don't worry, we are going to do a lot of practice of this. This is a tough concept. You try it out. Ma'am, please make this a star question.
This is the next question.
Yes. So first of all, you do this question, the one in red. Then we will come back to the above question. So first of all, I want the red answer.
Sir, I sent for the first question.
It's okay, beta. You can send for the red answer now.
Sir, both sent.
Okay, Viru. So first send the red answer quickly, guys.
I don't know.
I will explain, beta. Just checking how many of you know. That's why I have given an easier version of this question, like a part of this question. So let's see how many of you remember, because we haven't done this in much in grade 5. So
Sir,
let's
have a
see.
break after this.
Why?
Sir, we are in grade 7.
Don't joke, Viransh. Today is 2nd April, not 1st April.
Sir, we are in grade 7, yeah.
Don't make me April Fool.
You can check the
Yes,
class.
Samira, why do you need a break? In grade 7, we have less breaks. In grade 6 and in 5, 6 and 7, we have very less breaks.
Sir, we are in grade 7.
Today is 2nd April, Viransh.
Sir, but we are in grade
Stop
7.
lying, bro. We're in 6th.
So Dhaira can swear he is in 6th grade. Dhaira, can you swear?
Sir, but I am in 7th
I
grade.
am in 6th grade. I just graduated to the senior block.
Sir, but I am in 7th grade.
Why am I studying with you?
All right. So first, let me give you the answer for the easier version of this question. So how many of you got the easier one right? So only 3 kids. Let's see. So let the total strength be X. Now, according to question, 3 by 5 of X. 3 by 5 of X means multiplied by X, or I can just write X is equal to 90. Any doubts in this step?
No, sir.
Anyone, any doubts in this step?
No, sir.
Nitesh, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we do afterwards, whatever is in the denominator goes to the other side, joins the numerator. Whatever is in the denominator goes to the other side, joins the numerator, and whatever is in the numerator goes to the other side, joins the denominator. This is only done when we have multiplication. Here it's multiplication between 3 by 5 and x. So what will happen? X will be equal to 90 into 5 divided by 3. 3 ऊपर था नीचे आ गया, 5 नीचे था ऊपर आ गया. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
So then we will simplify. This will become 30. 30 into 5, 150. Have we understood this concept? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will change it a little bit and let's see how much have you understood. All right.
Sir, is it 40?
Yes. So Abaira, you still got it wrong, beta?
Yes,
Abaira and yes. And Potter also. Okay. So let's see Amira and Potter. Guys, did you do 2 by 15 x equal to 40?
Oh, it's 40. I thought it was 4.
So I thought it was 4s.
Okay, then all right. Then you understood x will be equal to
Sir, it
40
will be
into
20 into 15.
divide by 2. So it will be 20 into 15, which is 300.
It
All
was
right.
Yes, sir.
Now you guys try this question, the difficult one. If you are not able to do, I'll explain. So guys, I will give you a hint. First of all, find the fraction of non-fiction books by subtracting this and this from 1. That's my hint to you.
Sir,
Can
I
you
didn't get
tell
the
again?
answer of the difficult question.
You know or you don't know?
Sir,
So
I know.
first,
Given the value of the non-fiction question, non-fiction books.
yes, so first of all, we will find the fraction of the. Okay, they have asked non-fiction books only. Okay. Then we are given. Then we are already given. So we are already given the non-fiction books fraction. Then it's easy, guys. So you can find the fraction for reference books. Fraction for reference books. Why do you need to find that? Because you are given total reference books. So first we will find the fraction of reference books. So how we can find that? By adding 4 by 7 and 3 by 28 and then subtracting from 1. So should I solve it or you guys want to try?
Try.
Trying is good, guys. It sharpens the brain. So we have one child who is of grade 7, rest are from grade 6. Viraj, did you jump a class, beta? How come you alone are in grade 7?
Aditya is also in grade 7.
No,
you
sir,
can
I'm
ask-
in grade 6. Some grade 6 को कुछ भी बोल रहा है वो.
Yes, sir. Abhi
You can
shuffle.
ask Amira, you can ask even Avyan, they all are in grade 6 only. Amira, which class are you in?
Sir, grade 6.
So how do we subtract 1 from?
So I will tell you first we will add
No,
them.
please, sir, please, no.
So this will change into 16 by 28
Yes, sir.
plus 3 by 28, which is equal to what?
19 by 28.
19 by 28. So you can subtract 1 minus 19 by 28. So you will get what? 9 by 28.
So how?
बेटा 1 can be, जैसे आपने क्या किया था 1 minus 2 by 5 3 by 5 कैसे आया था? So 1 can be written as 5 by 5 because LCM will be 5. So 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5 will give you 3 by 5. Isn't it?
Sir, तो हमने 28 minus 9 कर 9 minus 19
Yes,
कर
28 minus 19 करोगे ना क्योंकि 1 को आप 28 upon 28 लिख सकते हो.
Okay.
So that so you will get 9 by 28. Now fraction for reference books is 9 by 28. Can I erase? Can I erase the bottom part or I can move like this?
So you can erase.
9 by 28 is equal to
I did something wrong and know the answer now.
you did something wrong.
So could you please wait? I just give the answer in 2 minutes.
So then we have how many reference books are there? So how many reference books are there? 4, 6, 8, 9. So 9 by 28 of total will be 4, 6, 8, 9. X will be equal to how much?
Sir, 28 divide 28 into 4 6 8 9 divide by 9.
X will be equal to 4, 6, 8, 9 multiplied by 28 divided by 9. I will get 521. Now for your school exams, you will have to multiply. Agar Olympiad hota, I wouldn't have multiplied. So should I tell you, if I don't want to multiply, how will I do?
Yes, sir.
So these are the total books, right? Now I have to find how many non-fiction books are there. But non-fiction books were 3 by 28. You remember these were my non-fiction books. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will multiply this by 3 by 28. So 521 times 3 will give me 1563. This is my answer of non-fiction books. अगर ये आपका ICSE school exam है, CBSE school exam है, then how will you do? You will find the total, then multiply it with 3 by 28. All right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I will explain
sir.
again, guys. एक बार मैं दोबारा explain कर देता हूँ. So see, first of all, I had what? I had reference book number, but I did not have its fraction. Because I know, जैसे हमने दो example किए थे, if I know the fraction, I can get the total. So let total be x. Now what will happen? Now the fraction of reference books is 9 by 28. This part, first part understood, guys? I subtracted from 1 the total fractions of others. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now I got 9 by 28 as the fraction of reference books. So I found the x, which was the total. Again, for your CBSE or ICSE exam, आप इसको multiply करोगे. Which would give me what? Someone tell me the product. सहस्त्र बुद्धि आपने solve किया था. What's the product?
What?
Of 521 and 28.
अरे होने
So
क्या
x.
सर
So
होने
1,
क्या
4, 5, 8, 8.
आपने ऐसे नहीं किया?
So
सर मैंने
5.
521 into 3 डायरेक्टली कर लिया.
डायरेक्टली कर लिया. अब मुझे
Yes.
पता नहीं आपके टीचर
So
अलाउ
1,
करेगा कि
4, 5, 8, 8.
this 88. Now this is the total. Now you have to find what 3 by 28 of this total. So 3 by 28 multiplied this. I think allow करना चाहिए. Higher grades में allowed होता है. Like if you go to grade 9, grade 10, you are allowed to do like this, like this. But in your 7th or 6th or 8th grade, they might cut your marks. So you do what your teacher says. Okay. So
Okay,
has
sir.
everyone understood this question?
Sir, I didn't understand how did you get 9 by 28.
9 by 28 बेटा 1 को आप 20 जैसे 1 minus 19 by 28 करना है तो आप
Yes.
कैसे करोगे एलसीएम क्या होगा आपका 28 होगा
Yes,
होगा
sir.
एलसीएम 28
Yes, sir.
आप 1 की जगह लिख लो 28 by 28
Yes, sir.
minus 19 by 28 so it will be 9 by 28 understood
Okay, so why did we subtract from 1?
because 1 is always considered as the whole total को हमेशा 1 मानते हैं तो
No.
total पिज्जा 1 सो ये जैसे मैं आपको इट्स द सेम एग्जांपल बेटा अगर एक पार्टी में 2/5 आर मेन सो व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ वुमेन सो 1 minus 2/5 which is 3/5 अंडरस्टूड अभियान
Yes, sir.
ये समझ आया नहीं आया नहीं आया तो बोलो नहीं आया
समझ आया.
आया
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
किया 1 minus 2/5 because 1 को 5 is the LCM 1 को I will write as 5/5 so 1 has special powers इसको हम 5/5 लिख सकते हैं 3/3 लिख सकते हैं 28/28 लिख सकते हैं 10/10 लिख सकते हैं 1 can be written as everything शॉर्टकट क्या होता है आप टॉप नंबर को बॉटम नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो 5 में से 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 from 5 you will get 3/5 got it this is the shortcut of subtracting from 1 understood
So why by subtracting one from the non-fiction book we got the reference book?
बेटा यहाँ पे men को subtract करके 1 से females कैसे आ गया?
तो
Because 1 is taken as whole. जितने लोग थे total 1 मानते हैं हम. एक पिज्जा से आपने 5 pieces में से एक पीस ले लिया. कितने पीस बचे? There is one pizza. उसमें 5 पीस हैं. 1 2 3 4 5. एक पीस ले लिया आपने. कितने पीस बचे? 4 by 5. How do you know it's 4 by 5? Because you subtracted 1 by 5 from one whole. So you
Okay.
got 4 by 5. ये पिज्जा तो ड्रॉ नहीं होगा ना आपके पास. आपको तो ये दिया जाएगा one child. So that's why one whole is always taken as 1. Okay? जब भी whole complete की बात करें fractions में, total is always 1. You are 1. Your class is 1. One whole. Your school is 1. ठीक
So
है?
what about fiction book? We don't need to do anything about the fiction one.
फ्रिक्शन बुक्स का बेटा फ्रैक्शन से ही तो फ्रिक्शन बुक्स का तो फ्रैक्शन हमने लिया ना, इन दोनों को ऐड किया. जैसे मैं आपको ये केस बताऊं. आई विल टेल यू वन मोर केस.
Excuse me, sir.
इन अ पार्टी, बेटा वेट, इन अ पार्टी
You
1 by
added
7
the
आर,
non-fiction and fiction.
बेटा जस्ट हैंग ऑन. इन अ पार्टी 1 by 7 आर चिल्ड्रन, 2 by 7 आर men. What is the percentage of women?
4 by
So
7.
then your answer will, then you will add these or subtract from 1. So you will get 4 by 7. So
I
वहां
didn't.
पे जो, yeah, now you speak.
मुझे लगा आपने ऐड नहीं किया नॉन फिक्शन और
मैंने
fiction.
ऐड किया ना बेटा, क्यों
Okay.
ऐड नहीं करूंगा मैं?
सर वहाँ पर
Okay.
2 है, आपने वहाँ 3 कर दिया. 3 by 7.
क्या कर दिया?
सर वहाँ 2 by 7 आप मैंने लिखा था आपने. आपने बाद में 3 by 7 कर दिया.
बेटा 3 by 7 इसलिए किया ना क्योंकि चिल्ड्रन और मेन को ऐड कर लिया, तो मुझे फीमेल्स निकालनी है, तो 1 minus 3 by 7. ओके सवीरा.
Yes, sir, I didn't understand the question first.
Okay. So next question. So first give the, there will be how many answers in first part? In first part there will be 1 answer, 2 answer, 3 answer. In first part there will be 3 answers. Because this much, this much, this much. And be very careful. Here it is written out of the remaining. They have not given the direct fractions this time. They have written out of the remaining. Wait guys, before we do this question, I will give you an easy question. I will just give you an easy question. So 1 by 4 of 8. 1 by 4 of 8 dozen fruits in a box are oranges. If 1 by 3 of all fruits are mangoes and rest of the fruits are apples, find how many apples are there.
Let me go on.
Savir, you need to send to ma'am. Pritesh, are you able to understand?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
I mean, are you saying yes or no? Can you repeat?
पहला
Can you
क्वेश्चन दिखा दो
Sir, I don't understand it.
Okay, better than wait. Savir, Pritesh, can you find the fraction of apples first?
Sir,
Yes or no?
I,
Pritesh, can you find the apples first? Fraction of apples, I'm sorry.
no, sir.
तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिखा दो
सर हमने 1/7 को 8 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है.
बेटा ये 1/7 नहीं होगा. Because when you will add 1/4 plus 1/3, you have to take LCM and then do it. So Avyan, Mr. YY, Sunny.
yes sir
What?
sending
Sir, question गलत पड़ा था. I got it. Sir, I got the answer.
Pritesh, what will you get? Can you tell me the?
Sir, 3/12 plus 4/12.
So Avyan, you got it that the total fraction is 7/12 of total fraction of oranges and mangoes.
Yes, sir.
So now you guys tell me what is the fraction of apples? Tell me.
5/12.
Yes, 7/12 minus 8.
5/12, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So then you can just do 5
So
by
how?
12.
And how will it be?
Beta 1 minus 7/12. Understood or not, Pratish?
Yes, yes, yes.
So then 5/12 of 8 dozen is equal to 5/12 into what will you get? 12 into 8, 96, which is 40 apples. So Avyan and Pritish, did you understand or not?
Sir, understood.
Sir, I don't.
Understood?
No, sir.
Pritish, you understood this step when I added them?
Sir, I understand. I understand till 5/12.
5/12. Then beta, if the fraction of apples is 5/12 and total is 8 dozen, so you have to find 5/12 of 8 dozen, no?
Yes, sir.
So I found 5/12 of 8 dozen. 8 dozen means 96. So 5/12 of 96 is 40. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Anything you don't understand?
No, sir.
So the next question, I am changing the question. That question we'll do in the next class. Find the fraction which, when multiplied by, gives 1. So in this type of question, my advice would be to always take x. You will not make a mistake. Let the fraction bx. So always take x and then do it. You will not make a mistake. That is my advice to you.
Sir, multiplied by 3 1 by 2.
Yes. So let the fraction be x. So x multiplied by 7 by 2 is equal to 1. So I told you whatever is in the denominator goes to the other side, becomes numerator. So x equal to 1 into 2 upon 7, which is 2 by 7. So Abhyan, Amy, and Savera and Mr. YY, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
So always take x in these type of questions and then solve it.
Sir, I don't know how, but 2 into 1, I wrote 3.
Oh my goodness, that is a miracle. 2 into 1 is 3. You are doing miracles, Abhyan.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, kids, I'll see you in the next class. Bye. Good night. Enjoy.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Bye.